Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today we're going to be doing a second day wear test of the TLM color changing foundation. If you want to see how it wore the first day, then go ahead and I'll link it up above in the cards or down below. So when I first recorded it, it was a very gloomy day. It was like pouring down rain all day. So I really couldn't get a good feeling for it and not be able to see in natural lighting like sunlight. So I'm going to go ahead and test it out since it is obviously a lot more sunnier out. So I also, another reason why I want to go and do another second video wear test is I used the Rose 3-in-1 face primer, so I don't know if that had any effect on it. I want to go and retest it with a different primer. So today I'm actually going to be using the Glow Activator by Joa. So I'm just going to put some on my finger. And just put that on my face. Okay, so I currently don't have the box. I lost it for some reason. Now, this does have a weird smell to it. Just a little quick. To me, it doesn't smell like sunblock. It smells like really chemically jasmine is what I'm kind of like picking up. So, we're just gonna go ahead, take my hand and just squirt that much on the back. And I'm just going to take this brush and then just dot it all over my face. Okay, so this is how it looks right now. I might add just a little bit more because I don't think I actually got it everywhere. I mean, it's really hard to tell. But I do have some on the back of my hand, so I'm just going to go and rub that in so you guys can see it in action. Like, there's like a little, so there is like a little bit changing, which is really cool that it actually does what it says, because who wants to buy like a really gimmicky product? So. Okay, so this is what it's looking like right now. I'm just gonna, like, it doesn't feel like anything's on my face, to be quite honest with you. I don't know what, I mean, obviously Jeffree Star has luxury top shelf items that he uses, so I would not really know if it feels bad or not. You know, I think it feels fine. It feels like my skin. It doesn't look like I'm wearing anything. I will say, like, the foundation, like up here, it feels weird, but I just blended it out. But on my cheeks, it's not sticky. Like, so I think it does look nice. It matches. I definitely think it's evened everything out, because I know I was pretty red over in here, and you can see I had a little bit of red marks, and they're not as red. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face makeup on camera, and we'll see how it goes on top of that with a different primer. Okay, so this is how everything went on. I definitely say the blush looks a lot more pigmented than wearing it on my bare skin. I mean, it does seem like my skin has evened out quite a bit. Even the contour is pretty like pow in your face. So, I mean, it definitely does at least leave a canvas on my face to blanket everything out and help things go on a lot more pigmented. So we'll see how this wears throughout the day. I'll do a full day wear test and let's see how it does. Alright you guys, so it's about almost 12 o'clock at night. And I have to say, the foundation still looks good. It's a little bit shiny. I mean, that's not bad at all. I don't mind it. Especially that I didn't put any powder on my face and it still looks really good. I'm pretty impressed. I mean, in this lighting, I do look a lot more pink than what my chest does, but it does perfectly match. I'm gonna have my friend check it out to see what she thinks, but I'm gonna keep wearing it until my opinion changes for some reason, but because I really do like this foundation, so I give it a thumbs up. I will link down below the video of the deeper complexion girls because I can only vouch for my skin tone. I can't vouch for them, so I just want to go and throw that out there for you guys. So, hope you guys do enjoy this video. I'm going to go ahead and cut it off now, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.